Good night. My name is Christian Aragon. I live in Palmira City. I am 31 years old. I am married and have a child called Juan Sebastian. Beautiful child. I am with work and sugar industry. Trained as a professional area. I am youth start business of industry maintenance. Carry out the maintenance and automation system. I am would like to earn 4 million pesos for a future to build my own renewable energy company to of employment. Thank you.